For top-notch window installation Frederick services, look no further than our team of Frederick, Maryland window installation experts. We specialize in energy-efficient windows and double-pane windows, ensuring your home stays comfortable year-round. Our window contractors Frederick are renowned for their precision and expertise, making us the best window replacement Frederick, Maryland has to offer. Whether you need vinyl windows Frederick or custom windows Frederick, we have the perfect solution for you. Residential window replacement Frederick is one of our core services. When it comes to window installation Frederick, our residential window services are second to none. We offer comprehensive window frame installation and window glass replacement to keep your windows in top condition. Our window maintenance Frederick services include window sealing Frederick and window insulation Frederick, ensuring your home remains energy efficient. Trust our window experts Frederick for all your window upgrade Frederick needs. Count on us for residential window replacement Frederick. Discover the best window replacement deals Frederick has to offer with our affordable window services Frederick. Our window replacement specialists Frederick provide detailed window replacement reviews to help you make informed decisions. We offer a wide range of window brands Frederick, ensuring you find the perfect fit for your home. Our window installation company is committed to providing top-rated window contractors Frederick for all your window fitting Frederick needs. Choose us for residential window replacement Frederick. Explore our custom window designs Frederick, Maryland for a personalized touch to your home. Our window styles Frederick and window design Frederick options cater to every aesthetic preference. As a leading window solutions company Frederick, Maryland, we pride ourselves on delivering exceptional window solutions Frederick. Our window fitting services Frederick, Maryland ensure a seamless installation process, while our window maintenance company Frederick keeps your windows in pristine condition. Let us handle your residential window replacement Frederick needs. For those seeking window replacement cost Frederick information, our team provides transparent pricing and exceptional value. Our window insulation experts Frederick, Maryland are dedicated to enhancing your home's energy efficiency. With our window upgrade services Frederick, you can enjoy the latest in window technology and design. Choose from a variety of window brands available in Frederick to suit your style and budget. We specialize in residential window replacement Frederick. Our residential window installation Frederick services are designed to address all your window needs. From vinyl window installation Frederick, Maryland to double-pane window experts Frederick, we have the expertise to handle any project. Our Frederick, Maryland window glass replacement services ensure your windows are always clear and functional. Trust our home window services Frederick, Maryland for reliable and efficient solutions. Turn to us for trusted residential window replacement Frederick. Window installation Frederick is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. With a variety of window styles Frederick available, residents can choose from energy-efficient windows, double-pane windows, and custom windows Frederick to suit their needs. The best window replacement Frederick, Maryland offers a range of options to ensure your home is both beautiful and functional. We are leaders in residential window replacement Frederick. Energy-efficient window solutions Frederick are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. Double-pane window experts Frederick provide top-notch services to ensure your windows are properly installed and insulated. Window insulation Frederick, Maryland is a key factor in maintaining a comfortable indoor environment, especially during extreme weather conditions. Enhance your home with residential window replacement Frederick. Window installation Frederick services are vital for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Whether you need window frame installation Frederick, Maryland or window glass replacement, the window experts Frederick are equipped to handle all your installation needs. Residential window installation Frederick ensures that your windows remain in top condition, extending their lifespan and enhancing your home's value. We also provide full residential window replacement Frederick. Vinyl windows Frederick are a popular choice for homeowners seeking durability and low maintenance. Vinyl window installation Frederick, Maryland offers a cost-effective solution for those looking to upgrade their windows. With a variety of window brands Frederick available, you can find the perfect fit for your home. We offer expert residential window replacement Frederick services. Home window replacement is a significant investment, and understanding the window replacement cost Frederick is crucial for budgeting. Window replacement specialists Frederick provide detailed estimates and transparent pricing to help you make informed decisions. Window replacement deals Frederick offer competitive pricing and exceptional value for your investment. Count on us for residential window replacement Frederick. Custom window designs Frederick, Maryland allow homeowners to personalize their windows to match their unique style and preferences. Window design Frederick services offer a wide range of options, from traditional to contemporary styles. Window styles and designs Frederick cater to every taste, ensuring your home reflects your personal aesthetic. We specialize in tailored residential window replacement Frederick. Window contractors Frederick are the go-to professionals for all your window installation and installation needs. Top-rated window contractors Frederick provide reliable and efficient services, ensuring your windows are installed correctly and perform optimally. Frederick, Maryland window installation experts are committed to delivering high-quality workmanship and customer satisfaction. Choose our team for your residential window replacement Frederick project. Window maintenance Frederick is essential for prolonging the life of your windows and ensuring they function properly. A window maintenance company Frederick offers comprehensive services, including window sealing Frederick and window upgrade services Frederick. Regular maintenance helps prevent costly installations and enhances the overall performance of your windows. Protect your investment with our residential window replacement Frederick services. Window fitting Frederick, Maryland is a specialized service that ensures your windows are installed with precision and care. Window fitting services Frederick, Maryland guarantee a perfect fit, enhancing the appearance and efficiency of your windows. Trust the Window Solutions Company Frederick, Maryland for all your window installation and fitting needs. We are specialists in residential window replacement Frederick. Window replacement reviews Frederick, Maryland provide valuable insights into the quality and reliability of local window services. Reading reviews can help you choose the best window installation company for your project. Residential window experts Frederick, Maryland are highly rated for their expertise and commitment to customer satisfaction. Trust us for the most reliable residential window replacement. Frederick. Affordable window services. Frederick make it possible for homeowners to upgrade their windows without breaking the bank. With a variety of window replacement deals Frederick available, you can find cost-effective solutions that meet your needs. Rely on us for budget-friendly residential window replacement. Frederick.